Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet this wind spinner. It doesn't take long to make and it makes a great decoration. For this project, you can use any types of yarn and any size of hook you want. It is a great way to get rid of the scrap yarns. These are the colors I picked out and I'm using a 5mm hook. Alright, let's get started. First, make slip knot, grab hold onto the tail, and you want to leave a long tail, maybe 4 or 5 inches long. Wrap it around your finger like this and bring the working yarn through the loop. Insert the hook and make a chain. That's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Your chain can be any numbers. The longer it is, the longer the wind spinner will be. And I'm making a chain of 50. Once the chain is made, on the second chain, that's 1, 2, that's 1, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. In the same stitch, place 1 more single crochet. Then on the next chain, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and 2 single crochet into the next chain. So for this round, simply place 2 single crochet into every chain. At the end of the round, on my last chain, place 2 single crochet, 1 chain, then cut yarn. Make sure you also leave about 4 or 5 inches long. To begin the next round, I'm using a different color. And you want to insert the new working yarn in the same end of where round 1 was started. Insert new yarn into the first stitch of round 1. And tie a knot. To begin this round, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 chains, 1, 2. From here, place a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. In the next stitch, place 2 half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. That's 1, and 1 more into the same stitch. That's 2. In the next stitch, also place 2 half double crochet, 1, 2. So for this round, we're placing 2 half double crochet into every stitch. At the end of the round, 1 chain, and also cut a long tail that's 4 to 5 inches long. To begin the next round, insert the new working yarn into the same stitch as round 1. And tie a knot. insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and make a chain of 30 or more. Then slip stitch in the same stitch. One chain to begin. On this 2 chain, place 1 single crochet into the first chain. And 1 single crochet into the second chain. Then we start to work on this way. Place 2 single crochet into the first stitch. 1, 2. On the next stitch, also place 2 single crochet. Then 2 single crochet into every stitch into the end. Now the wind spinner is complete. You can fasten off the ends or you can decorate them. And I'm adding more tails to it. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please don't forget to comment below to let me know. And please help support my channel. Just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!